In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer headset to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly charge and use your Razer headset on your Xbox Series S. Keep in mind that most Razer headsets are going to be compatible for the Xbox Series S, and in this video, I'm gonna showcase the Razer Kyra for Xbox model. But like I said, most models will be able to be used on an Xbox console. So for the Razer Kyra model in particular, it can be used on Xbox One or newer gen Xbox Series S or X, and all that you need to do is properly connect or pair it with the console. First, make sure that it is sufficiently charged, so press the power button, hold it for a few seconds, and once the headset is turned on, you will be able to check the battery levels. If needed, you can use the Type-C to Type-A USB cable to charge it fully. Once it is sufficiently charged, you will be able to pair it to your Xbox console by pressing the connect button. So press the connect button on the Xbox console, and immediately upon doing this, as long as the headset has been turned on with sufficient battery, it is going to be detected by the console and properly paired up. So just wait until the status indicator becomes static green, indicating that the headset is now paired with the Xbox console. And now you will be able to use it inside of games, and you can also use it for voice chat or anything similar. They usually also include a USB dongle that you will be able to use it on a PC. So all that you have to do is plug it into any of the available ports on your PC, and it is also going to be compatible with those. So all that you have to do is make sure that you have sufficient battery and then press the connect button on your Xbox console. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer headset to Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.